what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I got a special episode today. So I'm here in Yokohama and I'm at a shop that specializes in NSXs, RX-7s, GTRs, and other stuff. They make track cars and I'm here because, like I said, they make NSX parts, which is a very small niche in the community, but I want to take you around the shop, show you around, and yeah, it's just, I'm happy to be here. This is Advanced, and like I said, they make track cars. It's nice to see because I've only seen this place in photos, so being able to give you guys a video around the shop is going to be pretty fun. Hope you guys stick around, like and subscribe. It's going to be more of a shout out to my NSX community. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. The first car we're looking at is the yellow NSX from Advanced. Now this car is pretty famous, so let's walk around and name off all the parts. It's a 1990 NSX, but it has an O2 facelift, so it has no pop-up headlights. It has an Advanced flat-out GT carbon fiber hood, garage kite front bumper, and Tracy Sports front lip. My favorite part from Advanced is their fenders. Now, when you're looking for their brand, they actually brand these as flat out, so it's Advanced flat out. And the reason why these fenders are my favorite is because this little vent at the rear right there. Oh, also, the brakes are by AP Racing, 4 pots, front and rear. Going to the side of the car, it has Advanced flat-out side skirts, and these rear quarter panels are not by Advanced, they're actually by Marga Hills. This rear spat or cowl is made by Advanced as well, so Advanced flat-out. It looks like ice impact, but it's not. Jeez, that was a lot of talking, a lot of info. Let me take a break. Wow, take a look at that engine. Pretty crazy, right? So it has a Lexan glass and a carbon Kevlar cover. But before I get into that, let's walk around the rear one last time. It has O2 rear taillights. It has an Advanced titanium GT exhaust. And that spoiler is made by Advanced as well. That sub spoiler is a one-off, so I'm not sure if you can actually buy that. Now this is a better view of the ITBs. So this is Toto ITBs. I'm not sure about all the specifications on the engine. I wish I could show you and tell you about it, but I'm just not too sure. All I do know is that it has a 6-speed transmission, ORC carbon twin clutch, and ATS carbon LSD 4.4 finals. Those are craft square mirrors, and that's it. It's a pretty nice, nice setup. Now here's a look at the front of the shop. This is a nice E46 M3. Good looking track build. Now here's a 370Z, and I don't know what it is about looking at cars here in Japan, but all of them have really expensive brakes. Those are endless big brake hits. Now let's look at this RX-7. I'm gonna give this a try, but if I miss anything, please let me know in the comments. So this is a yellow RX-7. That's it. Just kidding. No. Going to the front of the car, it has a Ari Amemiya front bumper, hood, and headlights. So again, no pop-up headlights on this car. This car is actually a RX-7 Spirit R converted into a track car, so that's pretty cool. Now, if you didn't see it before, those are AP Racing big brake hits in the front, and he has Brembos in the rear, 2 calipers in the rear. That's pretty cool. I really wish I can give you more info and show you more about this car, but all I know is that it has an HKS 6-speed transmission with LSD. And at the rear of the car, it has a stainless steel Advanced exhaust with a SARD spoiler. Now let's walk inside the shop and check out all the other cars they have in here. Wow, this E46 M3 on T37s looks awesome. Now, as much as I love BMWs and M3s, I don't know too much about them, so all I can say about this one is that it's blue and it looks cool. So let's walk into the shop and just take a look around. GTR on the lift. A couple transmissions at the side over there. Some Advans and other parts right here. Looks like a wide body FRS. 2 NSXs. Walk around this NSX. Now I don't have the spec sheets for any of the other cars here in the shop. Possibly these might be actually customer cars that are coming in for, you know, sales, installation, and other tuning parts. So this one looks like it has a lot of Advanced parts on it as well. It has side skirts and front fenders. It looks like K-Sport big brake kits. Does anybody else have K-Sport big brake kits on their NSX? Because I don't usually see those often. Let's walk around here, see if I can squeeze in here and show you a little bit more about these cars. Ooh, I like that splitter right there. That's really nice. I'm not sure, is this Luminite? It looks good. So based on this downforce, those tires, and the setup, ooh, I like those carbon caps. That looks like a track car. This car looks more of a street car. Oh, that's actually possibly a shop car as well because it has the advanced sticker on it. Check out this wide body FRS, BRZ, or GR86. This thing looks crazy. It looks like a show car, but it's probably a track car. Honestly, all these cars look like track cars. Now, let's talk about what else Advance can offer you if you're here in the Yokohama area. Obviously, they're very track oriented, so they actually have an alignment machine right here. And they can give you an alignment, but they can also do corner bouncing for your setup. This is probably what's happening to this E46 right here. Now let's take a peek inside their engine building room. Looks like an RB26 that they're building right there, just based on that oil pan. Pretty cool. Got some Hunter alignment tools. Those are probably the best ones on the market. Looks like wheel bouncing and some milling tools. Here looks like more storage stuff. Other things that Advance offers are sheet metal repair and painting. Obviously, they make their own body kits and offer worldwide shipping. They also do vehicle inspections and used car sales. I mentioned that they're very track oriented and they also host a lot of circuit events. So if anybody's interested in that, I'll link their information below. The Z4 looks wild. Huge wide body kit. Now, I'm very curious. Out of all the cars that we've seen today, I'm wondering, what is your favorite? Which one would you choose to take home? Comment below and let me know which one do you like the most. Do you like this O2 Plus NSX? Or do you prefer the pop-up headlight NSX? Oh, take a look at that lip right there on the right. That's an advanced lip going to another NSX owner. Wow, this O2 looks pretty nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stick around for more content. See you guys in the next one.